Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ashley. I'm a professional cosplay photographer, Twitch affiliate, and I like to make videos. So today I'm going to film another getting ready with me video for stream. And today I'm going to show you a little bit of what I use to hydrate my face because I never do that on video. But today I'm just going to use this Dove Nourishing Body Care. I found it at the Dollar Tree. You'll come to know that I really like to thrift. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be using. So my nursing school journey is going into its very last year, and I am nervous. I'm scared. This is a career I've always wanted. So me, actually in the last year is crazy. So I'm doing summer school classes, and then I graduate next May. And it's crazy. It's wild. During my last year of nursing school, I'm not going to be able to work near as much, especially with my photography camera. So I really have to step up my game and make sure that I can pass, because I'm still going to have to work a lot, but not as much as I currently do now. But I have a pretty good nest egg, because I want to be successful. I want to graduate with distinguished like honors, whatever. I want to graduate the best I can graduate. And this has just been a career I've been dreaming of for a really long time. And so yeah, so I'm streaming tonight to try to drum up some, I don't know, some friends that'll stick around and watch me and support me and just give me somebody to talk to on stream. So yeah, so we're getting ready for that. So yeah, I always start with my foundation first. Right now I've been using the CoverGirl Olay Simply Ageless with hyaluronic acid or hyaluronic acid. I don't know, but that's what the bottle looks like. This is, I will say, this is too pale for me. Where I have these rosy cheeks and stuff, I kind of have trouble like knowing what color I am. My friend's a makeup artist, and she's always like, let me go with you. But I always just buy it and then I fix it with So I don't like to waste. So you'll see, it's pretty pale on me, but yeah. I like it. It smells good. It has a lot of stuff in it. It just smells clean. And I think it's the CoverGirl with Olay that makes it smell good. It's got that Olay in there. And I really love Olay body wash. Sponsor me. Sponsor me, Olay. I love you. So I really love nursing, and I really love kids. If you know anything about me or have been to any of my streams or watched any of my content, I'm also a teacher to the little ones, and I want to be a pediatric nurse. I want to help. I really want to be an oncology pediatrics nurse. I want to work with the kids with cancer. Just because I feel like they need somebody, especially like for those who may just be it's just the end of time, end of life. They just need somebody there that cares and won't treat them like just another patient, just another day at the job. I have a friend who has a child with cancer. Luckily she's in the clear now, so yay. But I went to visit, and she just had some really terrible nurses, and I knew I wanted to do nursing, and then that really solidified the career path I wanted. I wanted to be with the kids, and I wanted to be with the sick kids. So now to fix the paleness, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline concealer. I got it in a darker color. I got it in the Deep Fount 35. You tell me if you can pronounce that. But I'm going to go in and kind of fix where it's so pale. I don't do a lot because this, like, my favorite contour stick I can't find anywhere. It's out. We'll stop telling y'all. Just kidding. I don't have that big of a following, but I always like to do the little circle on my nose to kind of give myself a button nose. Then I always do this to my double chin. I don't mind my double chin. It just looks better with my makeup when I kind of conceal it a little bit. But I mean, it's always going to be there. It's who I am. I can actively be as healthy as I want to be, and I feel like at this point I've been chunky over half my life now. But this is just what it's going to be. Sorry, I'm doing some of this in the camera so you can see, but I'm back in with my Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I've been saying that this was Revlon. I found out today that this is actually Maybelline, and at my Walmart where I buy this, they just have it in the Revlon section. It's actually Maybelline. So yeah. Yeah, this is going to add a little bit of color back to me. And then whenever I add my blush, it'll be much better. But yeah, I also don't mind this foundation for streaming purposes. Like I said, for my real makeup out and about, I wear, like for events and stuff, I wear something a little bit nicer. But yeah, so now I have some color back to my face. We're going in with my favorite blush. It's the ColourPop Toffee Cake. It's like a pomegranate color. It's really red. That's why I use this big fluffy brush, because it doesn't let you like cake it on. It's very light and airy. Oh, I forgot to powder in it. See y'all. Never said I was perfect. I just like to do makeup. But yeah, but back to my career goals. I really want to do pediatrics and all, and be a pediatrics nurse and just work with the cancer kids. That's like my dream. So if you're watching this video and you give it any type of view, like whatever, just keep that in mind. So now I'm going in with my setting spray. I've had this for a very long time. My friend is a makeup artist. You've seen her on my channel, Fire Goddess of the Mountains. She's the wonderful woman, mother, wife, seamstress, cosplayer, makeup artist. And currently she has dived into the world of drag, and she also makes beauty products, and this has to be my all-time favorite setting spray. Little Witchy. This is called Moon Water Setting Spray Snow Moon. I've had from February 8th of 2020. It has witch hazel, tea tree oil, aloe. Yeah, so I've used it for a long time. It's past its expiration date, but it's fine to me. So I spray it on my face and it kind of just melts everything together, and then I let it dry, and it smells so good still. And yeah, but she is currently going through some like medical stuff, and but once her makeup line comes out, I'll make sure to like promote the hell out of it. So, but I love this stuff. So we're going back in with my Jeffree Star palette for my highlighter, but this is a Bloodlust. This is a palette that I found at Goodwill. Well, I didn't. My brother found it, and he gave it to me. It was $1.99, and I used this like bubblegum pink color Wet Jewel. That's the color I use for my streamer highlight. I don't know why, but I just love it, and I go down the nose. It kind of gives me that like, I don't know, fairy like feel. But yeah, I like it. Because when I'm on stream, I don't really want to look like my everyday. I want to be more, I don't know, fun. So today I'm thinking about doing a bright color eyeshadow. So I'll still do my normal smoky eye just because I like it the best. But I'm thinking about doing the Dungeon, which is like this dark plum purple color. And I don't know. We'll just go with it. We'll figure out what happens. So we're currently playing Stardew Valley on stream, and that's the game I've been playing to kind of like promote me finishing up with nursing school and helping pay for nursing school, because it would be really, really awesome to do content creation full-time while I'm in nursing school. And plus I love it, and I don't expect to gain anything good from it, but like I don't expect to be like the Sturniolo triplets or anything like that, but I just feel like if I could do this full-time while I'm in nursing school, it would be so much more like beneficial to me and you, and we could become friends. But yeah, so I just want to be transparent with you. I would love for that to happen. I love being a content creator. I love making people, you know, entertained. I've always wanted to be an entertainer. Like, I went to Nashville for a while. I did music. And it was a lot of fun, but I realized that music wasn't my thing, and also country music and the politics of country music didn't align with my personal lifestyle. Now, if it aligns with yours, that's perfectly fine. That's totally your household, your life, but it didn't align with mine. So, it didn't pan out. Then I was in a band with one of my very good friends, and we were an indie band. Loved that. That was so fun. And one day I'll post the music from that, because we had some pretty good songs that never really went anywhere because we never pushed it. But yeah. So this is again that dungeon color from Jeffree Star. So I think I'm gonna do this like magenta pink color. It's called Pink Magic. I'm gonna do it on the lid. I lost my little flat brush I use. We're gonna see how this looks together. Oh, hold on, let me grab my camera. I like that. We're gonna be fun tonight. I thought about playing Dead by Daylight, but I don't like playing that game without my friends tonight. So we're gonna continue trying to make Shane our baby daddy on Stardew Valley. Because you know, as a woman, I can fix him. He's the town drunk. So we're gonna see if we can save Shane tonight. And if we can, we're gonna make him our baby daddy. But back to the music. Also, I'm gonna do eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the Executioner right down here. It's the little glitter black. It's got like hints of purple in it, so it kind of blends. But back to the music. I was in a band. It was called Behind the Fire. You can find it on Reverb Nation, SoundCloud, and all that. We just did some fun little songs. I'm not a good singer. I will be the first to tell you. I am hard of hearing, so I am very flat when I sing. But I like to sing. I really like to write music, is what I like to write. I like to write music and poetry. Singing is just fun for me. But yeah, I really enjoy some of the music. It was my friend Kayla and my friend Will. Mainly me and my friend Kayla. We started it. We invited Will to join it. But we wrote some pretty good songs. I'm pretty proud of. And yeah, that was a really good like portion of my life. For like 2 years we did that, and then I've been in plenty of plays and stuff, so entertainment's really like what I like. Currently working on a series for this channel right now, and I'm so excited. Once I get all the kinks and stuff bumped out, I think you're really gonna like it. And it involves video games in Stardew Valley, which is another passion of mine, is video games. Obviously I wouldn't be a streamer if I didn't love video games, so yeah. But back to the flip side, I'm using the telescopic mascara, by the way, today, but it's by L'Oreal. But nursing is where my long goal career is, and I was an environmental science major, environmental science degree, but it wasn't really helping people, and it wasn't really with kids. I thought my passion was with animals, but when I went into childcare, I realized my passion was with children and to help kids. And I know I help kids in childcare and teaching, but I'm just going to be honest with you, the money isn't there. It's really hard right now to be a teacher in this country. So medical field, you're always needed. And plus I love science. So doing medical and medicine just seems like a win-win. And now that I'm in it, like, I love it. Like, I absolutely love everything about it. I love being hands-on. I love everything about it. So yeah. So that's one of the main reasons why I have been streaming almost every night on YouTube, to try to get my platform to where it needs to be, so I can hang out with you guys all day long and study with you, be real with you, and just like make friends in a community. Because if you know anything about me, you know I'm sort of an introvert. I project as an extrovert, but I'm not. Also, I'm talking a whole lot in this video. Please forgive me. I've just rambled again. And you will learn if you follow me that that's what I do. I'm using the NYX Lingerie XXL, and this color is Sizzling. But yeah. And this shit stays like I fell asleep in it last night and went to work today, and it was still on. It wasn't as dark, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I might just leave it in a ponytail. Whoa. But anyway, yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna go back here with my setting spray. Just melt it all together one more time. But yeah, thank you for watching me ramble again in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It's gonna help me on my journey to nursing school. Also, if you want to know anything about my makeup collection, let me know too. Most of it's thrifted, gifted. Yeah. I will say I did use the whole Jeffree Star palette today, the Bloodlust palette. I will say, not a fan of Jeffree Star. This was, again, bought thrifted. It was brand new though, thrifted. But yeah, $1.99 at the Goodwill. So yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, please, again, give it a like, subscribe, comment something positive. And I appreciate you so much. And we're getting ready to go live on YouTube with some Stardew Valley. Bye.